Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a blob container in Azure Storage Account. So what is a blob container in Azure Storage Account? A blob container in Azure, it is a logical grouping or folder where files, blobs, are stored within an Azure Storage account. So it acts as a container that organizes your blobs, similar to a directory in a file system. In Azure Blob Storage, there are three types of blobs. We have block blobs. These are designed for storing text and binary data, such as documents, images, or media files. And we also have append blobs. These are optimized for scenario where data needs to be added continuously, for example, like logging or auditing information. And the last blob that we have is page blobs. These are used for storing with random access file, read and write random access file like virtual hard drive for other virtual machines. And these blob type are each suited to different use cases depending on the data management need. Now, let us create our first blob container in Azure. So to see how you can really leverage this in order to manage your data. I already created a storage account here. If you don't have one, don't worry. I already made a video showing you how to create a storage account in Azure. So I'm gonna put the link in the description and you can follow how to quickly create a storage account in Azure. It's a very simple steps that you have to follow. And without wasting more time, let us click on our storage account here, which is demo storage 2347. And to create a blob container here, click on storage browser, and we have different type of services here. You can see blob containers, file share queues, but we want to use a blob container. So click on blob containers here and click on add container. And we need a name for our blob container. Let us say my container, my container, for example, and click on create. That is how you can easily create a blob container in Azure Storage Account. So now click on that blob container that you created and click on the upload button here. And here we have two ways to upload a file to our blob container in Azure Storage Account. You can drag and drop or browse your file system. That is what I'm gonna do. What I want to do here is to upload an image that I have on my desktop here. The image name is test, and select test and click on open. And now you can see that you can click on the upload button to upload your blob file. And now here you have your file uploaded in your blob container in your storage account. Click on the blob and copy the URL and open a new tab browser here in your browser and paste it. If you click, you can see that here. I don't know what is this, but don't pay attention to that. What is important is here public access not permitted, and public access is not permitted on this storage account. So now let us change this. By default, if you nearly created a blob container like that on Azure, Azure doesn't allow anonymous access to your blob container for security purpose. So it's disabled by default. So it is up to you to manually configure to allow blob anonymous access. So to do that, don't worry, just expand settings and click on configuration at this in your storage account configuration, you can see here allow blob anonymous access. It says it's disabled by default, so we have to enable this and click on save. So it's updating storage account configuration now. So if it finished, okay, okay, successfully updated. And let us go back to our blob container here and click on our blob container here, double click on it and click on change access level. Now we want to go from no anonymous access driving to anonymous read access for blob only. So select it and click OK. So just wait your blob, your configuration to take effect. And now, if we go back here in our URL and try to refresh our web page, you can see now you have our blob here, our picture that we uploaded to our blob container, and here it is. So very simple, right? That is how you can use blob container to manage your unstructured data in Azure Storage Account. So that is what I just want to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you apply this on your own. Share, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the